My water filter just came loose and I need to create a custom washer to avoid having to order and wait a few days. So a few quick measurements with calipers gives me the clearance I need and this shaft diameter. Okay, getting started, the first thing I want to do is create this reference geometry. So I'm going to sketch the circle and the cutout that we care about. First, this circle was 36.89. And next, I want to create a cutout so that it will be able to fit around the hardware that's already there. So I sketch right here in the center. We're going to do a rectangle, centered rectangle right on this line, and then we'll get everything lined up. Set this even with the origin. To go around the hardware that we currently have, we're going to say 10.86, and then just make sure that this clears by a little bit. Perfect. Now, all of this should be reference geometry. So I could start an additional sketch and leave this one here, or I can sketch on the same one since it's simple enough. I'm going to make everything construction. I'll double click and click X on the keyboard. Everything's now reference, which is great. And next, I'm going to sketch the geometry that I do want, which I need to make it a little bigger so that it definitely clears. I don't want to make it too large so that it won't fit underneath the sink. So we're going to try a size of 50 millimeters. So we're going up roughly 13 millimeters in diameter. That should be no problem. And now what I want to do is I actually want to cut out this the size of this slot. I want it to nicely rest against the shaft that's going to sit here. So I'm going to use a slot for this. I'm going to use center to center. I'll click here and we'll go over here. Great. And so we want to do a little bit larger than the other. I'm guessing just 2 millimeters on each side should be great. And so now if we extrude this looks really good. We're going to go up about 4 millimeters. Great. So we've got our concept, our first prototype. This should work. Let's throw it on the printer real quick and make sure it fits. Of course, there's lots of ways to 3D print. You can just go to File, 3D Print, select the body, Print Utility, Bamboo Studio, 3MF, click OK. Opening up Bamboo Studio here, I now can simply slice it, make sure that it's grabbing the right filament. Should be fast. Printing. Grab the print off the print bed. Looks like it fits okay. Now installed. Works perfect.